afternoon, everyone. Thank you for joining us for our webinar on the SharePoint 2010 online. My name is Laura Simpson. I work with Credera, located in the Dallas area, and we are a business and IT consulting firm, and we work very closely with Microsoft. Today with us presenting, we have Lance Stovall, who works in the Microsoft Online Services Partner area, and he is a partner account manager for the South Central and Heartland areas. He specifically works with Microsoft partners and customers, educating them about all various aspects of the Business Productivity Online Standard Suite of services, which is also known as BPOS. So we're very excited to have Lance here with us today to share more about SharePoint 2010 online. And now that that product is live and available, we're just excited to learn more about how it can really impact businesses. So Lance, I'll go ahead and transfer it over to you.
Thanks, Laura. Really appreciate being here today, and thanks to Credera for having me. My name is Lance Stovall. I'm a partner account manager for Microsoft Online Services. And we're going to be talking a little bit about where Microsoft Online Services are today. We're obviously going to focus on SharePoint in its current offering, as well as talking about SharePoint 2010, which is going to come out in the fall of the calendar year. So some of the things I'm going to cover off on are the who, what, and why. I'm going to talk about what is Microsoft Online Services, in particular SharePoint Online. We'll talk about a couple of different flavors of Microsoft Online Services. So there's this idea that there's this public cloud offering, which we call Microsoft Online Services Standard, and a private cloud offering, which we call Microsoft Online Services Dedicated. We're going to present some ideas and give you some things to think about to see if SharePoint Online is for you as a company. Talk a little bit about who's using SharePoint Online today. Then we'll end up with where you can go. So I get a lot of questions on why is Microsoft in this business. There are many different reasons, but the main reason is because our customers asked us to go there. So what are our customers telling us? They're telling us, Microsoft, we want the latest features. We don't want to manage the upgrades. We want to get off that upgrade treadmill, the hardware and the software. This isn't a mission-critical part of our business. It doesn't bring money to our bottom line. We want to let Microsoft host it and let us focus on our business. Secondly, we need to free up our best IT teams to work on strategic projects. So if my best people are making sure the lights are on, our email systems and our collaboration tools, having to ensure that our infrastructure is up and running, they're not able to focus on projects that can help the business. So if we can move some of that to Microsoft, hopefully I can repurpose my best IT people and focus on those projects that we have in backlog. IT can help the business make money with. We want more predictable IT costs. So instead of being on that IT roller coaster, what is it going to cost us this month for IT? Really trying to utilize cloud services or some type of hosted services to even out that cost to where we can even project on a per head basis how much email is going to cost us per employee, how much is our collaboration tools or our collaboration tools going to cost us on a month-to-month basis to help us drill down and get to more of a predictable IT cost per employee. Can't spend enough to ensure security and reliability. Instead of having, again, our best IT people focused on how to make our infrastructure the most secure and highly available infrastructure, again, which doesn't exactly contribute to the bottom line. Let us take those people and focus them on the business, and let somebody else worry about keeping the lights on, making sure that our information is secure and that our applications are highly available. And then lastly, we want to provide dynamic collaboration capabilities to all of our employees without the associated infrastructure and costs that goes along with that. So including people in the communication infrastructure and giving people collaboration tools typically might be not part of that. So truck drivers, machine shop floor workers, tellers, those are tools we So from a software plus services standpoint, Microsoft has a different take on software as a service. So we think whether it's on-premise or in the cloud, Microsoft can offer the best of both worlds. So we give IT the same user control that you're used to, and we have the enterprise experience building with our customers over the last 15 years. And we're really, truly giving you choice. We're giving you, as the customer, deployment options on what makes the most sense for you. If you have to maintain your critical infrastructure inside your firewall, Microsoft can obviously support that. But if you are willing to outsource and take a look at Microsoft's hosting applications and data for you in our cloud, we can do that. So that's where Cradera comes in and can help you analyze your environment to see what makes the most sense. And this blend, or even a hybrid model, could offer some really significant advantages cost-wise and infrastructure-wise, or minimization of infrastructure-wise to you. Extending tools and platforms to the cloud. So again, this idea that you don't have to deploy more infrastructure to support more employees, but you could perhaps move those employees up to the cloud with those same tools, the same platform. Experience across multiple devices is the same. So whether it's on the desktop, on a laptop, on a mobile phone, or at an internet browser at a coffee shop, the end user is going to have that Microsoft experience they're used to and that they know. They don't have to learn something new and try to figure out how do I use this, what is going to be the best way for me to use this on a day-to-day basis so I can get my job done. Then lastly, we're building out our data centers with best-in-class SLAs and IT governance. So we build our data centers out on the ISO 27001 platform, and that satisfies most of the compliance needs out there. Then our SLAs are 99.9%